for you with, baby.
To see how I maintain these luscious curls, stay tuned. Hey beauties, so I'm gonna show y'all how to wrap your synthetic units up at night when you wear them. So first off, I'm gonna start with my edge band from my brand, Beige Beauty. And then I'm gonna put it on my edges to lay it down. And I'm not gonna worry about it right now because I'm gonna touch up my edges in the morning time. But this is how I do everything. So I'm gonna secure these edges like that. And y'all wanna style the unit the way it is already. So I'm gonna do a quick little come out, and I'm gonna use the Simply Styling Light Silk Spray. And it looks like this. Y'all, I swear by this. So this is what I'm gonna use. And I'm just gonna spray it on here lightly. Okay. And I always like to start off with the bang part. And I'm just gonna section it off, comb through it. And y'all, this spray gives it an extra sheen, shine, and all of this stuff. So I'm just gonna roll it backwards. Make sure no hair is coming out. So, bobby pin. I like to use the larger bobby pins on my hair. So I'm gonna put between 2 to 3 bobby pins to hold it. Sometimes 2, it just depends. But it's just, okay. I think I'm gonna do another one. That one's like a little harder to put in. So gonna do that. And then we're gonna tackle this side on the way the curls are falling. You're gonna brush it out, wide tooth comb. Roll it back. Pin it and clamp it. And you do this method if you want to sleep in your synthetic wigs. I'm just trying to show y'all how you do it. Because I know like a lot of people, they always complain about their synthetic units, get all matted and rated and all that stuff, but you have to prep the hair when you lay down, before you lay down, to set it for in the morning. So that's how that go. So I'm just combing it out a little bit. And you're gonna roll it the direction that your curl is going. So this is how I'm gonna roll this side. You take it and roll it. Get this little hair. And I'm rolling it extra tight because I want those curls. And I'm gonna take a scrunchie to hold the curls. And I'm gonna twist it, and I'm gonna put my scrunchie on at the end as well. This is a method that works for me, so yeah. So I'm just gonna twist it. Twist. Yeah. Scrunchie. And this is it. And we're gonna work on this side. Brushing it out, we'll comb it out. And we're gonna twist in the direction that the curl is going. So it's going backwards, so we're gonna twist backwards. And that's how they go. Yeah, this is pretty much my routine, my night routine if I decided that I wanna sleep on my synthetic wigs. Y'all, it's not hard, y'all. And my wig is gonna look bomb in the morning time. So, y'all ain't gotta be scared. Scrunchy. And this is everything. Let me put a little clamp. I have an extra clamp. I'm gonna put a little extra clamp up here. Okay, so I got my edge band. I'm gonna use my scarf on here as well for extra security. So I'm gonna take my Beige Beauty scarf. And I'm gonna tie everything up. Okay, everything is tied up. And I'm gonna take my Beige Beauty bonnet. I'm gonna use the light pink side today. I'm in one of those moods. And I'm just gonna plop it on like this. And tie it for security. And I am done. So, night time. So, thank y'all beauties for tuning in to my nighttime regimen of how I work my hair. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.